Hello, and welcome everyone. For customers that are eligible for enterprise support, I'll be walking through the various ways customers can open support cases with R2C for getting support with Semgrep. There are three main ways of submitting support tickets with R2C. The first is by the Semgrep app itself. Once logging into the app and clicking on the Support tab, you'll notice that there is a new form to submit support cases or feature requests. Within this, please provide as much information as possible. Some information will include the priority of the problem. Is this something that is impacting the entire business unit and you cannot work around this issue? Or is this more of a general issue or a general problem with the application or the product itself? Other information that you can include is something like timeline. When did this problem actually occur? Was this something more recent, or has this been something more ongoing? If the problem was related to the app, please describe what the problem actually is with the app, as well as include any steps of reproduction that we can use as reference. If the problem is a CI problem, please include the version of Semgrep you are using, as well as include steps of reproduction. Once the email has been sent, you'll be sent a response email stating that your request has been received and is being reviewed by our support staff. Once we respond to the email, we may ask for more screenshots, videos, or any log files that we can use as reference. And finally, once the ticket has been closed, you'll be sent another email. One more thing within the support tab itself is that we have a new Semgrep status page. This status page shows all info regarding the uptime of the various systems used within Semgrep, as well as any information regarding any outages that you may experience during your use with Semgrep. The next way you can send a support ticket to R2C is via the customer-facing Slack channel. If you are a customer that has a private Slack channel with R2C, you can open support tickets directly from Slack. Within your customer channel with R2C, you'll notice that within your message box, next to your plus button, you'll have this blue lightning. This blue lightning signifies that you have the submit support request workflow for submitting support requests. If you already see this request, you're free to start using this now and start sending tickets. If you do not see this request, please message your AE about it, and we'll have someone add the request for you shortly. If you click on the workflow and open the form, you'll notice that the form is extremely similar to how the email actually works. Please briefly describe your issue, give us as much detail as possible, and include the priority. Once you save and submit the ticket, you'll notice that you have a confirmation message as well as a thread with the ticket as well. This is to include any confirmation with R2C as well as to include any screenshots regarding the problem. Please keep all discussion in the thread as this is tracked within our ticketing system. If you have any general questions about the email or about the Slack channel workflow, please message R2C in your Slack channel and we'll have someone to answer your questions for you. The final way of sending support tickets to R2C is via email itself. Please use your work email and send the ticket information over to support@r2c.dev. The information that should be included in the email is extremely similar to the other forms that we described earlier, and therefore we will not go into this too deeply. The only difference that we ask of between the app form and the Slack channel form is within the subject of the email, please state that it is a support ticket. If you have any questions about this form or any other form that we discussed in this video, please feel free to send us a message on our customer-facing Slack channel or use any of the methods that we described during this video. Thank you all very much for your attention, and we hope to hear that you send us some tickets soon.